Hey guys, we're just going to do a fire up test of the Comet here. She's pretty much done externally apart from the paint job, looking pretty damn good. Managed to source an amazing, I found a great guy, really good seller in Washington, so I'm going to throw this valance panel on. It's just temporarily on here, but that's going to go on and that will complete the looks. So anyway, you want to listen to this. We put a, I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, put a Flowmaster on here. So if you guys want to see what it sounds like, let's see. I'll put it there. Fire it up. Is that too loud? I'm not sure. Flowmaster on a 4runner? What do you guys think? Should I keep it or not? I'm in two minds. I think my neighbors would be really choked. But, decisions. I might mute it.